at the size of this crappie. Oh gosh, that is a fatty. Oh, I better go down and grab this one because this is just too heavy to be trying to lift in the boat. Come here. Oh yeah. Now that is what I'm talking about. That is what I've been fishing for. That is why you go out crappie fishing right there. That is why you go out and you fish for crappies, because no matter who you are, if you're a bass fisherman, if you're a cat fisherman, if you like to catch walleye or white bass, when you start catching crappies like this, you'll put down your other rods and pick up your crappie rod and then start catching them like this. Man, that is a good fish. That is a good fish right there. Goodness. It's a nice crappie. Man, oh man. All right. I'm gonna let him go and see if I can't get another one. Thank you very much, Mr. Crappie. There we go. Come on, Mr. Fish. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Show me some love. Oh, there we go. There we go. All right. All right. Man, oh, man. Look at that crappie. Ooh. He's not through fighting yet. All right. There you go. You're through. You are through, Mr. Fish. Now you know it's a good day when you out crappie fishing and you feel your hands, you just rub them together and you got fish slime all over them. And that's a good crappie fishing day because that means you've been catching a lot of them. And today is a good day because I got slime all over my hands. All right, there's another one. Thank you. Whoa! Oh, big boy! Big boy! Oh, yeah, come on! Come on! Oh, hope I don't lose him. Oh, yeah, come here. Fish after fish after fish. You gotta love it. Look at that. You gotta love crappie fishing. I mean, my heart is beating at like 100 miles an hour right now. You see that bobber go under and that's it. The adrenaline just starts pumping into your veins. You start going wild. Gotta love it, man. Look at that. Thick crappie. Thick old crappie too. Oh yeah. There we go. Big boy. Oh yeah. Come on, come to Papa. Oh, yeah, there we go. There we go. You swallowed that, didn't you? Oh, let me get that hook out. There we go. Another good fish. Fish after fish after fish. Yeah.